Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I finally received my Boxycharm. Ooh, there's a lot of noise in there. Boxycharm Premium. So, if you want to see what I have, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys doing well and you had a great week. And today, what I want to share with you is my Boxycharm Premium. My Boxycharm has really been late lately, and so has IPSY. And I recently got an email from Glossy saying, we're sorry, but it's on its way, but we're having issues. And so I actually shared the email with Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman, so she knows, to let people know. So anyway, first thing I want to do as usual is our affirmation cards. And I believe this is the last affirmation card out of this box. And because I want to see how many more we have. And yes, definitely, here's the last one because here's the actual instructions for it. And I made sure that was on the top of the very last one. So okay, let's see what we have. But I do have good idea. I have good news. I do have our new box, and this is the affirmation cards for women. So starting the next videos, this is what you'll be seeing. So, but anyway, for the last one, let's see what it says. It says, I am courageous and will not be held back by fear. And that's a good one. And I think these things pretty much run in themes, and I think the ones that really repeat itself in different ways is because they're quite important, right? And there's things that these are things that you should remember on a day-to-day basis. So this one says, I'm courageous and will not be held back by fear. And I think we had something like this most recently, and we talked about not letting fear get in the way. It's okay to have fears. I mean, everybody does, okay? But letting this stop you is what the problem is, okay? And so you might be nervous about, certain things. I mean, you change, okay? You may fear change, but you shouldn't let that fear stop you from going forward with new opportunities. And so what does the back say here? It says, what do I need to do in the moments of fear? Okay? And how can I remind myself to stay grounded on focus on my goals? You know what? I'm going to have to, I can't see. And so let me go ahead and get my magnifying glass. Okay, let me try that again. Sorry about that. It says, what do I need to do in moments of fear? And how can I remind myself to stay grounded and focused on my goals? Those are very important things, being focused and being really grounded. And you have to have some kind of a goal to get to where you want to get to. But like I used to say, don't set the goals too high. It's okay to have goals of the longer term and something you might want to do in 5 years, 10 years, 3 years, whatever. But also have daily goals, have weekly goals, monthly goals, and maybe annual goals, right? But make sure that you are going step by step by step and meeting those milestones to your greater, goals. But don't try to reach, I want to be the president of this company, and here you are just coming out of college. It's okay to say that, but don't think that you're going to do this overnight, right? And so be realistic about it. So I think that's another thing too, right? Knowing what you want to do and being focused and grounded and having a appropriate time frame to do this really does help. I mean, sometimes, you need to write these things down so you can visualize them. So again, it says, I'm courageous and will not be held back by fear again. Okay, in case you want to screenshot that. And here is the questions in the back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. We got through every one of these 60 cards. And I'm almost sad about it. So now I'm going to have to try to figure out what I'm going to do with these cards that we went through. I don't know, maybe I'll recycle them in a few years, or maybe I'll start giving them away in giveaways, one card at a time. I don't know. But I'll have to come with something creative. Okay, now let's just dive into the Boxycharm. And like I said, my boxes have been really late. And I know a lot of people have already opened them. I also noticed that there's a lot of variations out there. So sometimes it's a surprise that, you know, what I get might be not what you get. So, and yeah. And so let's see what we have. As you know, it comes, I'm kind of worried because this thing is like, you know, sloshing around. You heard it earlier. When you open it, it says Boxycharm Premium. And this is a blue box, which means it is premium. Okay? And let's see. Well, I'm going to give you, okay, it's not packed very well. Look how that's packed. It's empty and it's like shaking around. But that's okay. And let's see what we have here. We do have the card. It says Boxycharm Dare to Dazzle. Okay. Here you go. That's the theme of the month. Okay. And looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So let's get it started. And the first thing I see in here is a Skin Regimen Hyaluronic Acid Booster, or it says HA Booster. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. Okay. And you guys notice how much skincare I received in my Luxe. I'm hoping that I don't continue to get that because I really do enjoy the makeup part of, you know, the Boxycharm. Okay, so it looks like, okay, there you go. And let me give you a close look. That's what the bottle looks like. And it does have the dropper type of dispenser. And let's see what it says about it and how much it is. And so this is, okay, what are you? Skin Regimen. It's 1.85 Hyaluronic Acid Booster. Marketing words. Okay. A hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin to lock in the moisture or various levels. And restore optimal levels of hydration, free from silicone and synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural or organic origin. My God, I can't talk today. Origin ingredients, and it retails for $115. Okay, $115. And let me tell you something. Hyaluronic acid is so plentiful out there, and you don't have to pay $115 for a good one. Believe me, I have a great one by The Ordinary that I know work. And I think I paid $8 for that one. And I mean, these type of hyaluronic acid here, you know, here, I have one here. I have one here. None of them is that much money. I mean, so you have to be careful because a lot of these things that they say it's 3 levels and 1.85, those are what we call $100 words in marketing. And yeah, it's going to get you $100 extra for a product because you're using those marketing words. So yeah, so be careful. And okay, yeah, let's move on. Okay, the next thing I have in here is Crushed. Crushed. But it looks like Lorac, and this looks like a After Ego lip liner. Okay, After Ego lip liner. I like lip liners, but let's see what this looks like. It's all like, I don't know why it's crushed in here because it doesn't. Oh, okay. Here we go. This is one of those turny things. Yep, it is one of those retractable ones. Okay, there it is. And this is the shade of, I gotta kind of straighten this box out because it's broken. Okay, this is in the shade of Eris. And so, there we go. I'm not going to swatch this because even though I'm going to keep it, I have a lot of lip liner going, so I'm not going to swatch it. So, yeah, here it is. And let's read about that. What does it say about Lorac? Okay, Lorac Alter Ego lip liner. It instantly transforms your look with these lip liners. They're highly pigmented, smudge-proof, and perfect for lining and filling in your lips for the colors that last. Prevents color from bleeding, feathering, and fading. The retractable pencil includes a built-in sharpener to create a super fine point. Okay, so that means the bottom of it is going to be some kind of a, yep, there it is. That is the actual sharpener. How you do this is you kind of stick it onto the lipstick and just turn, and it's supposed to sharpen it. But you know the problem is it wastes a lot when you try to sharpen it using these things. So yeah, alrighty. And did I just say how much it was? I didn't, did I? Okay, the suggested retail price is $17, so it's $17 for that. Okay, and next I have some kind of a eye cream, another skincare product. An eye cream. Anything special about this one? It says vitamin C, okay, coriander seed, and marjoram. And so let's see what it says about it. Okay, this is a Maaplim. It's Maapillim. Eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. This eye cream contains quinoa extract, colloidal oatmeal, and vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. I know colloidal oatmeal is really good, but let's see. It is not tested on animals. It says that. Apply a small amount around the eyes day and night. So, yeah, okay. Do they come sealed? Let's see. I'm not even going to try because if I open it and there's not that silver top on there, I'm not going to be happy. So, there we go. Okay. And I didn't say how much again. It's $39 for this travel size looking thing. Okay, but this is a eye cream. They do come kind of small, so $39. Okay. And next, I don't know about this, guys. I'm not very happy right now. Okay, the next is the floss. And I've been starting to see a lot of these products in my boxes. And let's see what this is. Never tested on animals. Well, that's nice. And the color is Sandals. Let's see if this is for lips. Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. A hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless, beachy vibe. Formulated for convenience and ease of use. These waterproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all-day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with the tips of your fingers. And it retails for $22. You know, I'm not crazy about this lips and cheek color. I just, you know, I thought it was a great idea, and I actually at one time bought a bunch of them, and I just never used it. So I'm looking for something I can open it with. Oh, no, here we go. And so here it is, and it is kind of heavy duty, okay? And let's see. Oh, does it twist again? Okay, I think so, yeah. Wow, okay. There we go. It's actually a pretty shade. It's a very pretty shade. But yeah, this is not something I would use, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it into the future giveaways. And let's see if it says anything else on a carton here. This is made in China, but it doesn't say anything else on the carton, just says lips and cheek tint. So, okay, that's that. And this one retails for $22. Okay, and next I have this looks familiar, the brand, Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow. And this is by Size 1. Isn't that Patrick Star? Size 1? There it is. Oh, is that upside down? Oh. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm on a roll here. And this looks like the color of Let's Pump. Okay, there it is. Another brown eyeshadow. And if it's a liquid eyeshadow, as it says, I won't keep it because, yeah, oh, it's pretty though. It's really pretty. Look, it's got sparkles on it. That's a very pretty color. But unfortunately, I learned that I have a lot of like Natasha Denona and other liquid eyeshadows, and I really did try it. But when you have a little bit of texture on your eyelids, these really accentuate them, and even more so than just the regular anything sparkly, right? Like glitter or any kind of frost, because it already does accentuate it. It's not as bad, but these don't do us any favors. So yeah, so this will go into the giveaway, and let's read about it real quick. Okay, this is One Size Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow. Man, I am on a roll here, guys. So, a one swipe wonder, this long-lasting liquid eyeshadow features a mix of glitter and pigment for high impact sparkle and shine. That's flake-free, and it's $22 retail. Okay, well, I don't know what I think about this box. Okay, I'm on my last thing, and it looks like this one. Oh, this one I'm going to be happy with. And it looks like a eyeshadow palette by Nars Cosmetics, and I do like Nars Cosmetics eyeshadows. And I've done a look for you guys using the Celestial Storm, I think. So, okay, let's see. I'm just going to tell you about it, then we'll open it up. Okay, so this is Nars Cosmetics. It's called Transition Palette. Life is complicated. Makeup shouldn't be. True. To keep things simple, here are new everyday go-to versatile multi-use palette with a range of warm to cool neutral matte shades. Choose daytime no makeup look or the Go Full On Sultry Smoky Glam, and it retails for $48. And that's a fair price. I mean, this is heavy, actually. It is heavy. Oh, okay, and it has the colors in the back. Okay, and let's see what it looks like. And it seems like this is all matte, so which is, I like all matte. At one time, I didn't own anything with a lot of frost or metals or anything like that, anything shiny. Ooh, wow. Okay, beautiful rose gold. Is that rose gold? Yeah, rose gold coloring. Okay, and like I said, it is quite heavy. And this palette is, I think, made in the USA. I think her, yeah, her stuff is made in the USA. Okay, yeah, it is made in the USA. I'm happy about that. And here it is. It does come with the, oops, with the protector, with a little sticky on it. And this is, okay, and there is a big mirror, and it actually has a little signature on the right hand side on the bottom, which is nice. But I don't want to blind you guys. I'm not going to show you that part. Okay, and here we go. You know what? I really, really do like this palette. I like the range of colors, like they say. You know, I really like, you don't usually see this color here, and it's not a color that I would look for in every palette, but, you know, I like to have them on some palettes, and this is one of the few that I have all mattes that have this color here. And this is a nice transition shade, but this is actually very pretty. I do like the range. I mean, no two colors are the same. And one of the problems with a lot of eyeshadow palettes today is that, you know, you could do without two of the same, and it doesn't look like that's the case, because I want you to go ahead and take a look at it. So these are all uniquely different, and even though these two here look like the same looking on the camera, but it really isn't in person. And so I always like to have a matte white or an ivory color, so I could do the underbrow, so I appreciate that. But this is a very nice range of you know, of neutrals. Very nice. Yeah, I will definitely keep this. Okay, and I think that's it, guys, and that was it. That's all that was in my box, and I don't know what to think about the Boxycharm anymore, because lately, I mean, I'm not getting the things I used to get, but it's okay, though. It's okay. I mean, at least I got this, which actually pays for more than the box. And speaking of the box, Boxycharm is you have the base box, which is $25 a month. This premium is $35 a month, and you have the Luxe. And this month is a Luxe month, which is every quarter. And when you get a Luxe box, which is $49.95, you don't get the base box. And so sometimes I'd rather have the base than the Luxe. And so, yeah, it is what it is. But it's okay, though. It's okay, because I love this. I love Nars Cosmetics. It's very good quality. It's made in the USA. Support our, you know, our national economy. So yeah, great. And then the other thing I got is the eyeshadow. Okay, the eyeshadow and floss, lipstick, and blush tint. Yes. And then we have this overpriced eye cream. Okay, and again we have this super overpriced hyaluronic acid with $100 marketing words written on the box. And we have the Lorac lip pencil. Okay, so yeah, and I think that's it, right? Yep, that is it. So okay, my beautiful wildflowers, if you get Boxycharm, and most of you probably do, let me know what you got. Did you get are we box twins? So let me know. So okay, my beautiful wildflowers, before I go though, I just want to let you know I did hit 700, and then I hit $6.99. Right now, as I'm recording this, I'm at $6.99. So I'm gonna wait until we get pretty good into the 700s before I start the giveaway. And you guys know I have a 700 subscriber giveaway, and I haven't released the rules or anything like that, or the special word. So I'm going to go ahead and release that to you as soon as I'm getting ready for the giveaway. And I do have the box already filled, and I am using a priority USPS size box full. Okay, but you saw the sneak peek, so that was just a very small piece, but I filled it up, and it's going to have really good products in there, and I think you're going to be happy if you win. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I won't hold you any longer. So I want you to have a good day, a good night, good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, doesn't matter. But what does matter is you don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.